Okay.
Welcome to the castle of Cardona. This area was really rich because of the salt mines, which you're going to see later. And in the 16, 17, 1800, like 300, 400, 500 years ago, they were really rich. The family were really rich, and because of the salt, and they were going into the society in here in Spain, and they started to build this castle. But that is like 800 years ago, and they made it bigger and bigger and bigger to protect themselves from the wars, because there was a lot of wars here in Europe, many wars we had. And in 1711 they had a siege. That means the enemy was all around this castle, but they never managed to get inside. So so that's why you made a fortress or a castle, or what you call it, to protect yourself from enemies. So let's have a look, go inside and see.
So ayun guys, so pag nakapasok yung mga enemy, yung mga kaaway, merong ano doon, no, butas. May butas doon na doon idadaan yung baril or kahit na anong ibabato nila. So ayan, akyat tayo sa taas. Mas maganda ang asawa ko mag-explain, no? Mas magaling siya sa vlog. Tapos doon, no, may mga butas, so doon pag makapasok yung mga enemy. O ayan, asawa ko mag-explain.
As a protection, they have several layers of protection. If you manage to get into the door, which is behind you, if you manage to get in here, and then you say come up here, you see there people would standing with bow and arrow and shooting down. Yeah. And also would be standing with boiling water or boiling oil or throwing down. So it's not so easy to get in.
Yeah.
And even if you manage to get here in the first layer, you need to get into the second layer. So it's not so easy.
It's not easy to climb.
It's like I said, 300, 400, 500 years ago. So you don't have ladder. Well, you have some wood ladders, but there's no plane, there's no nothing. So, yeah.
So hindi sila makakapasok doon kasi may nakaabang din doon na mga masinggan or Armalite or...
No, that was before, long time before that.
Yeah. Kumukulong tubig, hagisan yung mga kaaway. Tapos dito rin. So mahirap pasukin tong castle na to. Tingnan natin dito sa side. Sa left side, aba meron ding hagdanan. So yung tinuturo ng asawa ko dun sa kabila. Mahirap nga pasukin to. Ito naman yung second stairs. Second protection.
And then if you manage to get past the second, you have the third protection, right?
Yeah. A lot.
Yeah.
Ang daming protection.
You can just go because I wanted to take video.
Yeah. Ang dami. So hindi talaga mapapasok tong castle. Bero nyo mga palangga, oh. Diyan may nakaabang din na mga nakabantay, ano? So ito yung pang fourth gate. Nakapang fourth gate na. Marami ding nakaabang dyan, syempre. Mga mga espada or anong tawag doon? Yeah, espada at saka mga Armalite or something. Naku, anong panglaban nila. What? Ang pangalan? Corona di Balwards. Hala. Ang dami. So, nandito na tayo sa panglimang gate. Corona di Balwards ang pangalan. Tapos meron pa dito. Hala. Ang dami. Asawa, there's a lot of hole.
Yeah, so this one you're standing inside and you can shoot down.
Yeah.
All made for defense.
Yeah.
Here's the guardhouse.
Yeah, guardhouse. Because the guardia. So, guardhouse yan.
And same here, you can stand in. Because if you stand here, it's not so easy to see you, but you can see her, right, like this, huh?
Yeah.
And from the outside, you only see this small.
At least people standing here have protection.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. So, nandito na kayo. Nandito na kami sa kalagitnaan ng castle. Ayun yung salt mine. Yan yung pagmamayari ng castle na to. So, punta tayo sa number 6 na gate. Kung ang mga enemy ay gusto nilang umakyat, pero malabong makaakyat dahil sobrang taas. Proceed to number 6 gate.
Guard tower.
Oh yeah.
Security guards were standing and looking out for enemies.
Tingnan natin yung guard house. Oy. Tamang-tama lang sa isang tao. Kasyang-kasya yung isang tao sa guard house. Yung
1813, so this is not so old, huh? That is 210 years old only.
yeah, 210 years old. Dito na tayo sa number 6 gate.
And the same again here. Same again, if you were an enemy and you managed to get into all of the other places and also in here, and then you need to walk up here, people would be standing there on top and shooting down on you.
Yeah,
So it's very
that's
hard
true.
to get in. And this was before planes or anything, so you cannot shoot from the air.
Nay.
Yeah, we came in this one.
Punta tayo sa, ewan ko kung may number 7 na gate pa doon. First time namin pumunta rito.
Closed.
Yan ang gate. Stairs papuntang terrace. Para may mga din doon, may mga bantay sa taas.
Here it's just the protection, where you can stand and keep guard and shooting down at your enemy. And to get up to the really top, there's another way. This is really well protected, this place. They have a big house somewhere else, a swimming pool and close to the sea.
Kala ko tapos na.
Let's go over there
Nandun pa
first.
pala.
See the view from that side. because we
Pupunta daw
haven't
tayo
seen
doon.
it.
Sabi ng husband ko. Hala, meron pa pala ditong building. Oh my god, amazing.
So this one is also connected to the mine somehow. I don't know why and how. But... Okay, we walk around. Huh? Let's walk over.
May tourist sa taas.
This is the view from the other side. We came from this side, and the salt mine was over there. And there's the reefing here also.
Wow! Ito yung mga gusto kong puntahan para pag nagpagawa kami ng bahay, may mga idea kami. Gusto ko magkaroon ng ganitong style sa bahay namin. Gusto ko talaga yung may mga tower. Sabihin ko sa asawa ko, magpapagawa kami ng small tower. Maganda rin, di ba? Maganda rin yung may tower. Tapos picture. Taking picture.
This is the church that the family built to show their fortune.
Iikot tayo para makita natin ang buong castle. So you have road for the car.
Yeah. No, that one there was no road. But it was not here.
May road din papunta sa castle.
But it shows this way.
Yeah, so dito tayo pupunta.
Like I said, even if you manage to get here, you cannot get up there. Right?
No.
You can also stand here, but then of course it's easy to see. It's easy. Better to hide behind one of the holes.
Yeah. So there's a lot of army working here. Tingnan nyo mga palanggaw, yung tower. Can you go inside? Ayaw niya pumasok dito. Baka may ahas, may mga... So, dito na tayo sa taas, mga palangga. Dito na tayo sa taas ng castle. Ito ang castle. Tignan natin dito. Okay. Delikado dun. What is this?
Water.
Water.
System.
Oh yeah.
Because if you didn't have water, how can you survive?
Yes.
You need to have
Yeah,
water.
that's true.
When the enemy is around you for many years, and you need to have water, and you have animals, of course. They can make boom boom, so they will get more. But if no water, then they cannot survive.
Sabi ko na nga ba kanina, ano to, balon. So may tubig. Pero ang daming pera sa baba, maraming coins.
I don't know what this is.
C'est vrai que l'histoire des côtes et du dos, ça a gravé, mais l'initiale qui est
Ang taas. Akyat tayo dyan sa taas. Tingnan natin kung makakaakyat tayo. Kung allowed ba pumasok. Tara, akyat tayo sa taas.
Bé, aquesta porta per la que acabem de passar no és l'entrada original. Pensin que al segle XVI ja els senyors de Cardona i a ducs es casen amb la família. Ja seguiran la cosa allà per allà on vagi. Per tant, hi ha un espai de temps on el castell de Cardona està en una mena de limbo sense cap objectiu clar. Segueix sent el centre administratiu del comerç de la sal de la muntanya, ja no és el palau residencial. Llavors, els militars decideixen convertir-lo en una caserna militar. Tot el castell s'anirà adaptant totes les seves estances en diferents espais. En aquest cas, es fa aquesta obertura, es construirà un segon mur, ara quan sortim ja els hi ensenyaré, i es deixa un espai entre els dos murs, una càmera d'aire que dona les condicions idònies a aquest espai per convertir-lo en un polvorí, en un magatzem de pólvora. Això sí, fins que no es fan ja aquestes obres d'adaptació al segle XVII, aquest espai, aquesta torre va ser la presó, la més noble que tenia Cardona. Es poden imaginar, sense aquesta entrada, els presoners queien des d'aquí, no era una presó amb uns anys i després sortia, era una condemna de mort. Els presoners que queien aquí segurament es trencaven algun os. Pensi que, a més, el terra no era pla, sinó que tenia forma còncava perquè no es poguessin mantenir dempeus. Imaginin quan feien les seves necessitats, tot s'anava juntant, s'anava barrejant, si els hi tiraven menjar, molt de tant en tant, també tot es barrejaven, no existia la higiene. Imaginin les malalties que hi devia d'haver per aquí, era una condemna de mort. La llegenda que dona origen al nom d'aquesta torre, nosaltres diríem la Torre de la Minyona, explica que no només van estar aquí dins tancats lladres, assassins, totes les males gens de Cardona, sinó també, en una ocasió, la filla petita del senyor de Cardona, la Minyona, es deia.
Umakyat kami. Akyat ulit tayo.
And we are on the top, and it's one afraid. We are on.
Akyat na tayo. Sa loob. May cafe. Cafeteria. Ano to dito?
Ponían por el paso a recoger el cubo.
Si la para una vuelta ahí va a ir libro.
No, pero has notado.
Ano kaya to? Pumasok ng asawa ko.
Enemies coming! Ah! Make alarm! Oh, enemies coming! We need to protect ourselves with there. And we look here, oh no! And there is the biggest enemy over them all. Wow!
Pumasok siya sa tower. Sa
Here.
we go up to the castle.
Let's see what we
Yeah! Iikot ko muna kayo, mga palangga ko. Samahan nyo naman kami mamasyal. Oh. Uwi na kami. Tapos na kami namasyal sa castle. Takot ako makyat. Dito na kami sa tower. Oh. Ayan.
Here's the city.
Oh. Nagpagod ako mga lalabs ko. Hop, papa. Bababa na kami. Ay! Nagtaas dito sa tower. Pero mas mataas yung pinuntahan namin dati. Hindi ako tumuloy sa taas dahil nangatog ang aking mga tuhod. Pumasok kami dyan sa loob. Sa loob ng tower. Selfie.